Alright guys, we're going to be comparing how good 5.56 is suppressed through a 5.56 dedicated can, and then we're going to run it through a 30 cal, a dead air Nomad 30 cal, and we're going to hear the difference and see what sounds better and what doesn't. So first up is going to be the new Print X. This is a subcompact, and it's their flow-through can, so that's gonna be the first one we listen to. Alright guys, next up we got the Dead Air Nomad, and this is a 30 caliber can, so let's see how it compares to and how it competes next to a 5.56 dedicated can. Here we go. Alright, there you have it. Let me know what you think sounds better, what you're running. Are you running a 30 cal can? Or are you guys running 5.56 dedicated? Let me know in the comments.